So apparently Brandon got a new winter beater. A little something to smash around so he doesn't get the other Yoder all dirty. It looks like a mighty fine little 4Runner. He said it has an amp underneath the seat, and it's got a head unit and a couple of speakers and some wires running around. So let's go take a look at it. Let's see if it's any good. Let's see if it works. Do a little system report. And if it's not working very good, see if we can't get it up and running and get a little bit of slap for today. I'll have him bring it over here. We'll take a look at what he's got and see what it is. Yeah, you got you that winter beater, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what you got in here? A little something? Let's see what's cracking. Hey, pull it up here. This thing sounds like it's got the big boy engine in it, man. That don't sound like no 22R. What year is this bad boy?
96 4Runner, 3rd gen. I picked this thing up on Marketplace for super cheap, practically free almost.
Nice.
Yeah, and I was going through it last night and I noticed there's an amp underneath the driver's seat.
Let's see, underneath the driver's seat?
Underneath the driver's seat, yeah.
All right, let's go.
Some random wires. I haven't really got a
Some
chance
random
to check it out
wires?
yet.
All right, yeah, so we're doing a system report on the new runner.
So I opened the door last night and I saw that and I knew.
Oh, all right, when you get a car from somebody and you look under the seat a little later when you get home and you start seeing RCAs and power wire, it's like, yeah. Let's find out what that is, but hold on. What do you got for a head unit? You said it had a head unit in here.
I think it's just some JVC double din. Haven't even really got a chance to go through it or...
It plays though?
It does power on. We got signal.
You got signal? You got sound?
There is sound, yes. I've heard static.
Okay, so we don't know what's in those doors though. Maybe, I wonder how hard it'll be to peel the door panel. I mean, for this system report, we might have to peel the door panel back and at least see what you're working with in there. But... oh, right away I'm noticing something wild over here. Let's see this. All right, what do we got here? We got wire coming from the cabin going underneath the hood. We're gonna have to peep that out and see what that is. Maybe it's light bar stuff. Is this a light bar switch?
That is a light bar switch. Yes.
Okay, so maybe they got that shit's running out of the car and up there. Not super ideal.
The door panel
They're chrome? I mean...
oh, there's aftermarket speakers in there for sure.
What is it?
A coaxial, like a
coaxial?
Kind of looks like an Alpine. I can see the tweeter poking off the dome.
There you go. You don't got to pull the whole panel off. Let's just get up in there and look.
You can look right here and see. We got...
I can't see. They might be no-namers. I can't really tell. There's some coaxes. All right, before we get to finding out what kind of amp that is, you said there's a power wire running underneath the hood?
Yes.
Let's see. And this thing did sound like it had the bad boy motor in it.
Now don't judge me, because I just got this thing, so I haven't got a chance to detail nothing. I haven't even gone through the whole truck yet, so
nope,
don't
brand
blame
new.
me.
Just pulled in. Oh, it'll be nice later for sure. All right, you got looks like some sort of a 4-gauge wire maybe on its best day.
Skosh.
Got a little skosh.
It is skoshed out.
It is scotched out. Okay, so I only have one hand. You want to pop that off? Let's take a look. See, this looks like one of those big fuses. It's got that big fuse in it. What size is it?
It's roasted too.
Is it roasted? Roasted. What size is it? Should be around the top?
It doesn't have a number on it.
Nothing on the top?
No number, look.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that thing might...
Say anywhere on there?
that shit's melted.
Is it?
No number.
All right.
You could tell it definitely got hot. So that shit was like...
factory ground.
No,
so,
definitely no big 3 happening over
no big
here.
3. Of course, that motor's the big one right here. A little bit of soap, this thing will be brand new.
I mean, it's really not bad.
That alternator looks like it's going to be nice and easy to get to. Gotta love that. All right, let's jump in the back. What I really want to see is what kind of amp that is. He's going to have to slide his seat all the way forward. right, so I spot heat sinks. I spot some 4-gauge wire. What do we have here?
Oh boy.
It's the Avatar. The Avatar 1000. It's not even bolted down.
No, it's not, dude.
They don't need to be bolted down, man. The carpet's
check
enough
that
friction.
out.
As long as you got what is that?
I think it's some cat food, man, to be honest. Yeah, we got a remote bass knob wire.
You got a bass knob wire? Is there a bass knob in here?
Not the flume fucking.
Flume? What's that?
Oh, vape wrapper.
Oh.
Sick, dude.
All right. So there's a bass knob in here somewhere.
That's definitely not a vape wrapper.
I don't know what that is.
Cartridge fucking. So yeah, we ground going on right here.
Okay, so we got the 4-gauge in. We got the ground. Where's the ground going to?
Right here.
Just appearing underneath the car somewhere?
No, it's just right here.
Oh, it is right there.
So I mean, it's kind of decent. But
No, it ain't. That ain't kind of decent. That's a horrible ground. I mean, it gets you by. Don't get me wrong. If you're just hooking up some beat and you're trying to roll,
Look at this.
it does get you by, but it isn't. Yeah, it's not good.
Oh man, that's not the.
Well, don't start pulling on it, man. We're gonna try to make this work.
So
I want to see if it works.
RCA's,
We need to go in there and get a fuse. If that fuse pops immediately when we put it in, then he's got something else going on.
Do you want to at least try to assess this wire and get that back in the amp, or we just fucking?
We can clean that up. We can clean the fuzzies up a little bit. Go get an Allen wrench and clean the fuzzies up a little bit. That way it's not a total fire hazard.
Phillips.
Hey, where do these wires go right here?
Is this Sky High or NVX?
NVX. Where's it go though?
These?
Yeah.
Let's take a gander here. Let me
Is it in the back?
I
Is that the back here? Oh, they're there.
Wow.
All right, so it looks like.
Got 2 sets or 1 set?
I mean,
2 sets, dude. 2 whips.
So you either had the box in the back or you had it on the seat.
This looks like. Oh, look, it's all fucking. That's not good.
Is it pinched up in there?
Yeah, it's super pinched. Like, I gotta rip it out of here.
Maybe that's why he's popping fuses. Can you?
Oh yeah, look it, dude.
Oh yeah, that's smashed. Okay. There you go. I mean, we'll let me see that. That is super smashed. We'll just cut it right here. Cut it off at the good spot. Put a new fuse in it. Let's see if it fires up. Let's get an Allen wrench. Let's tuck the cable in there a little bit nicer, and then let's see if we can get a light. If so, man, we'll grab a sub out of the shop and have you bumping. I think I got a 60 up in here. Maybe it's an 80. I mean, honestly, if that's a real true 1000 watt amp, then this 80 amp should do it just fine. So let's try that. All right, here you go, Brandon. Yep, got a little 80 amp. So if that's really a 1000 watt amp, the 80 should do it. So pop that bad boy in, and oh, you know what? I should probably go get a voltmeter too. Let's find out how much power this battery actually has to begin with.
The guy said it was brand new, so we should be chilling.
12.5. It's all right. Start it up. See how good it's charging. These alternators never die in the Yoders, so I'm sure it's a great alternator.
Fire in the hole.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Cool.
Bitch is quiet, dude.
Yeah, 14.2. We got 0, I'm sure, because that fuse is popped. Yeah, we got 0. Go ahead and put that fuse in.
Ready?
Did it pop the fuse? Did that fuse pop right away?
No.
Maybe the caps are just filling up in the amps.
Should I undo it first
No,
and then I'm gonna
put that bitch in there. If it pops the fuse, then we know that we got a problem. Yeah, it was just filling up the caps in that amp. Is it even gonna go? Oh, there you go, brand new. Shit. Let's see what we got.
right here, you see it?
Hold on, not yet. Hold on.
Dude, what are we doing right now?
Dude, we got 12.6 back here.
Really?
Yeah.
Think we're gonna see a power light or
Yeah. No, we're
It's on my side right here.
you're gonna be good. I think
Lights
it's
are right here.
yeah. Turn that bad boy on.
You ready?
Yeah. Oh, we got
shit.
red. Is that protect or is that on?
That's protect.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Come on. Wait,
on.
turn it off for a second. Oh, those turn it off. We forgot to cut those wires. Because those ones that are smashed might be doing something.
So?
Let's take the speaker wires all the way off. If we take the speaker wires off and it stops going into protect, then that tells us there's something pinched.
That might be an issue. This is like stereo 911 shit.
Look at that, man. How many people does it take to put in a wire?
I wonder. You think?
All right, let's go. Turn it on.
Might be our fucking protect issue too, maybe.
It could. And let's take these RCAs out too, because you know what? If you've got a bad ground, it'll try to pull ground through your RCA cables, and that can ruin an amp and a head unit. So, because if it's bad over there, it's going to go to the next source, the next best ground. And if your RCAs are your only good ground from your head unit to the amp, that's how bad things happen. So let's see if we still got protect light. All right, good. No, she's still protecting. I'm afraid this amp has an issue. So, I hate to tell you, Brandon, but you ain't gonna be bumping today. I mean, there's amps in the shop. You could have that thing up and running in just a couple minutes, but it'll be ghetto. Does it at least play? We got some music coming out of them door speakers, right? Whoa, you got tweeter pods. That's pretty nice, not bad.
Oh shit, we're already linked up. It's like smart or something.
Bluetooth already working?
Yeah, check that out.
Getting it. Hey, there you have it right there. Hey, it plays music. Subwoofer department ain't working right now, but just a starter. Just got it yesterday. Work in progress. What should we do? Should we go in there and get an amp out of the shop? A little sub box, slap it in the back? Maybe a tablet up front? I don't know. What do you think? Whatever, huh? Something. Let's bring it in. Put it on the bench and see if we see anything obvious. We'll open it up. Bring that bad boy in. I mean, it doesn't look roasted or anything. It's just in perma protect. Something happened that it didn't like. Or maybe it's got a cold solder joint in here somewhere. Who knows? This amp can for sure be repaired though, I think. I don't see anything tremendously wrong with it. Anything devastating, but you never know. All right, it is what it is, man. Truck came with a Avatar 1000 and a little head unit. And, that's a wrap for that thing. What do you guys think? Should we pop something in there or what? Leave a comment down below, and maybe we'll do something fun, something simple. This is what it is, man. That's it for the 4Runner system report. That's what it had, a 1000-watt amp that doesn't work, and a head unit that does work, and a couple of coaxes in the doors. Good to go, perfect winter stomper. He's only one little amp and maybe a couple little subs in the back with a neo magnet terminal away from being good to go. And we'll probably make that happen real soon. So thanks for watching our cool little video. For right now, I'm out of here.